This is Guadalest, Spain, a village like no other, perched in the mountains with views that'll blow your mind. Is this Spain's most magical village? Let's find out.
Hola, soy Santi.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Together we're realizing our dream of relocating to my homeland in the south of Spain.
Along with our Australian Shepherd Levi, we want to share our passion for the Mediterranean lifestyle, where the sun shines more than 320 days a year.
So if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel,
Livinlavidacosta.
'Cause I found my way.
Good morning from the beautiful town of Guadalest. We're up high in the mountains, about half an hour from Benidorm. It's a beautiful day. Up here it's about 22, but down in Benidorm it's about 27 degrees. As you can see, we're up pretty high. You can see the clouds. What a gorgeous little town here. We're very excited to take you along and show you this stunning place here in España.
Wow, what a view. Love this little path.
First impressions, hon?
Well, it is amazing. I think we're going to discover places every single day of our life.
Look at this.
Look at the bell tower up there.
Yeah. This is stunning.
Isn't it where Frodo or somebody
honestly,
climbed up?
It looks like something out of Lord of the Rings. Oh, look at this. Nice little park there.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That is just absolutely amazing. What a gorgeous spot. Like an hour and 40 minutes from us. Oh, climb up.
Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that.
That little tower on that at one point. That is absolutely Ronda style.
Yeah, totally.
Look at that house down there. Oh, okay. That's our house right there. That little spot right there.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Beautiful. Go to that lookout over there.
Just amazing, eh? So there's a trail right down there. Wow, did we ever find a gem here?
Oh, for sure.
Wow, we thought Alteo was amazing.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
We're looking at some trails down there. We're trying to, because what I'd really like to do, folks, is I need to go somewhere where I can fly the drone.
Yeah.
I need to be able to fly that puppy somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's go up this way to the castle.
Yeah.
How do we get up there? So beautiful, eh?
Oh yeah.
What a cute little town, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Oh, Fond d'Algar is that way.
Oh wow.
We've been there.
Really close. Yeah.
There's probably water in it.
This time of year, yep.
Folks, I don't think the camera does this
No.
justice. This is breathtaking.
Yeah.
Angela's got a bit of a sunburn.
Just a bit. Well, I said I wanted to do 2 things this week. Get a suntan, which I got a sunburn, and run. I did 2 runs, so we're good to go.
She had a hard time in the drive down here.
Yes.
It was,
The sun was beating on
she
me.
was like trying to
Escape from the sun.
escape from the sun. She was basically sitting on my lap
Yeah, it was like
as I
right
was
over.
driving. So beautiful here. We just had a beer, a salad, some filetitos al lomo.
Really
We are
good. Lots of pan.
lots of bread, really good bread.
Really good bread.
We are recharged
Yes.
and ready for a 9.3K walk.
Yes. We're gonna go on a hike. So we just finished exploring the town of Guadalest, and now we are walking towards the reservoir. We got some good views. We got some good views from up there. Hi. Say hello, YouTube.
Nice little old Land Rover.
But yeah, so we were up there. Where were we? Up there. So that's where the castle is. So we had a really beautiful view of this reservoir. But yeah, so now we are going to explore a little bit down here.
We did not expect this in the least.
Not at all.
I went on to the all trails and I'm like, oh, okay. I saw Reel and I'm like, okay, there's a 9.3 trail, and I said, let's go check it out. I did not expect that town was absolutely, as the Spanish would say, flipante.
For those non-Spanish, what does that mean?
Flip out, like
okay.
crazy, wild. Yeah. Why?
Okay.
I think I want to go down to that trail.
Yeah.
We're going to try to figure out how to go to that
So yeah,
trail.
we're gonna hike a little bit today.
So if you see that trail, that's the trail they're talking about.
Yep.
And between you guys, I'm trying to find a spot to fly the UAV.
Yes.
Top secret.
Yeah. Shh, don't tell anyone.
But it's under 200 for the authorities.
Yes.
It's under 250 grams, and I am an advanced pilot. Just in case the authorities are watching, I'm an advanced pilot licensed with Transport Canada for even restricted aerospace.
Yes.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yes. We love hiking, and we thought about when we do move here, we want to ask you guys if you would be interested, for those that live in this area, if you would be willing, maybe like once a month, we can gather and meet and we can do hikes like this together.
Absolutely.
Is that something that you guys would be interested in? If so, please leave us a comment below, and we'd love to hear your thoughts.
Yeah. Let's go hiking together,
Let's go
folks.
hiking.
Let's go hiking. Yeah. So this is not a power dam, folks. This is straight up just because Spain has such an issue with being at times a very dry country, and you get into droughts.
Droughts.
I said that like a Spanish person.
Droughts.
Droughts.
More like German.
So they basically just dam up areas like this so that they can retain some of the rainwater.
Yes.
It's not a power dam. There's no electricity. And if you look at the other side, like the river would have flown through here, and they have a small little collection basin, but I don't think they release much water here. As you can see, the river's all dry. So this is very big. This area was for prehistoric European settlements. So Neanderthals,
Ooh,
like me.
your heritage.
My heritage.
Yeah, so Santi did the 23andMe.
Which is
And-
now, apparently they went bankrupt.
Uh-oh,
and
people are
my
saying-
genetics are now being sold online to the Chinese.
Oh my God, I just snorted. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, so Santi did his 23andMe.
And I have a higher than 3% Neanderthal genetic code.
That would explain his flat feet
My
and
flat
his
feet
wide back.
and my slumped shoulders and all my broken bones. The Neanderthal. This is my terrain. I'm gonna go find a cave somewhere and go live in it like a Neanderthal. So as we're walking, we're having a debate.
Yes,
We're talking about seed oils.
yes, because we've seen lots of reels saying if you stop eating seed oils and you don't wear your sunglasses while you're out in the sun, then supposedly you don't get sunburned. So we haven't eaten seed oils in probably 2 to 3 years. And yesterday was our first day on the beach. And I took my sunglasses off the entire day and I still got burnt.
Yeah.
So I think that's a myth.
Yeah.
So
For all of you people
yes.
posting clickbait,
Yeah, material.
yeah,
You should be banned.
we're coming after you, folks.
We're watching you.
We got our eyes on you.
Yeah.
This
You better watch
Neanderthal here.
I'll hold him back.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is our walk right now. Beautiful. Gorgeous. We love hiking.
Yeah,
I don't know how many times I've said that, but we love walking and being active.
And just to let you guys know, I'm wearing about what?
Oh,
30
that's really, yeah.
35
that
pounds
backpack.
on my back right now.
We got a new snazzy backpack
Let's
from
go right down here.
from Costco. Costco special.
Oh, this is old. We could find something like this near our house,
For Levi, yeah.
or for us too, would be amazing.
Home point updated.
So we flew the drone. We had some issues. I can't get high enough to go around the town. The parking lot's so much lower than the peak where the castle is. I could not set my limit any higher for the drone. So I got some images of the side of the town, but I couldn't do an aerial. But I did get some good shots of the crystal blue lagoon here,
Yes.
the reservoir,
Beautiful.
and the dam that goes all the way around. So it totals 9.3 to go all the way around. And it's actually a really good trail. So if anybody's looking for a really wide open trail, we've seen people, they bring their dogs.
Yep.
So it's a good little trail. We're just thinking if it was any closer, I'd bring Levi here almost every day.
You'd love it.
Oh yeah, he'd love it. It doesn't mean we're not going to bring him. Oh, so that's the place that rents kayaks.
Yep.
I read on, so once again, All Trails is going to have to start paying me. But I read on the All Trails reviews on this site, they said one of the best trails in the area to walk, never busy. They said surprisingly, never busy. We're just laughing about the day. Our original plan was we thought it would be a parking lot. We'd walk the whole 9.3K, which we kind of wanted to. We'll do it on another. It's
Yes.
just we're getting late. But we're laughing, went to the town. And the town's really cute. And
It's like a mini Altea.
so I got kicked out of a museum.
This law-abiding citizen
Got
who
kicked.
sticks to all the rules, never
Yeah.
breaks any rules.
Afuera.
Afuera.
Tenéis salir.
He was mad at us.
I was, because it's really cute. And you know what? I probably would have done him a really good deed.
Yes.
But-
And we were going to leave it like a $10
Yeah,
donation.
Like, you don't, there's no fee. I would have left a €10 donation and I would have put he's got this little house and it's set like how houses were set in the 17th century. So it was really cute. You walk in and they kept the animals inside with the house and
It's like a stone house.
All right, okay, so I tried to
Like
sneak.
a cave house.
I turned my GoPro on and I held it. And, well, he was quick on that, man.
Oh, yeah. I'm like,
Yeah.
did he have cameras like watching us? 'Cause we were out of there in 2 seconds flat.
Yeah, he was
us
like,
out.
tenéis que salir afuera.
Afuera.
I was like, okay, you got me. But it's like, I would have done some really good publicity for him. You know, it wasn't like there was no, security intel there that could have jeopardized safety of the world.
Exactly. Yeah.
It wasn't like a Goya that was delicate to like, I don't know, anything. But anyways,
It was funny.
it was funny. Thought we'd tell you that.
Yeah.
I've been a bad boy.
Bad boy today.
Bad boy.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, maybe.
Get your mind out of the gutter, hon. What a day in Guadalest. From wandering this magical mountaintop village to hiking the stunning trail along the turquoise water below. If you haven't been here yet, put it on your list. España, you never stop surprising us. Vaya pueblo precioso. Claro que vamos al volver. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love it if you did. Until the next one,